guys, my parents are awake. Yeah, okay, so my plan was making me. It's me. Okay, so my plan was not to do this. My plan was to show you what my costume is. It look beautiful. Yeah. Just joking. I have my freckles. Like, freckles are not gonna go away. Even what I do. Yeah, so now after this video, I'm gonna take a bath. I'm gonna see if this is my everyday makeup can be like waterproof makeup. That is hilarious. Like, what is the chance of eyeshadow being waterproof? Zero, right? But lipstick, it can be away with vibes, so I think it's gonna be away. But my foundation or conceal, don't feel, or I don't know what I call this, but I call this foundation concealer. I just call it concealer, but it makes my skin brighten and I don't use foundation. That is one of my facts, and yes. So this is my mini vlog. I'm gonna make a video about me some choosing my outfit, and then I'm gonna wash away my makeup except for the foundation, and I'm gonna show you what am I gonna do to match that. But I'm gonna use home. So this is what I'm gonna do because my parents are away and my sister, because I said, Mom, can I be here because I'm gonna do my beta, but performance task. Okay, so I could make some tutorials. Yeah. Okay, so see you later. Bye bye. I'm gonna upload this video.